Nasdaq PSX has a price-setter pro-rata market model that was designed for investors with larger-sized orders and longer time horizons. Any resting bid or offer can benefit from the price-setter pro-rata allocation. Let's compare how pro-rata works with how price time works. Here are 3 market participants at the best bid price, as shown in a sample order book. The timestamps indicate the order in which the bid was received. A seller enters an order for 2,000 shares at $10. In price time, allocation is determined by the timing of the bid at the best price. Bidder 3 receives no fill in this scenario. In pro rata, every participant with the best price receives an allocation based on their bid size. On a price time exchange, Bidder 1 received 50% of the 2,000 shares for a fully filled order. Bidder 2 received the other 50% of the 2,000 shares, which fills half of Bidder 2's bid size. Bidder 3 received none of the 2,000 shares. On the pro rata exchange, Bidder 1 received 15% of the 2,000 shares. Bidder 2 received 30% of the 2,000 shares, and Bidder 3 received the remaining 55% of the 2,000 shares. Every bidder at price receives an allocation. Bidder 3 receives the biggest allocation because that bid was the largest. Indicative of a pro rata exchange, the allocation is rounded down to the nearest 100, so the largest order receives any additional shares. Now, let's look at how Nasdaq PSX, a pro rata model, provides a minimum allocation for the order that sets the best price on PSX. Bidder 1 set a new best bid price of $10 a share on PSX, and so is the price setter. That means Bidder 1 is guaranteed 40% execution of the sell order before the pro rata allocation is made to the remaining market participants based on their size. Bidder 1, the price setter, received 40% of the 2,000 shares. Bidder 2 received 15% of the 2,000 shares, and Bidder 3 received 45% of the 2,000 shares. In both cases, all 3 market participants received some portion of executed shares. But on PSX, Bidders 1 and 3 received larger allocations because 1 is the price setter and 3 had the largest order size. PSX is a fair, transparent market that allows investors to participate at the top of the queue.